Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are having any audio issues or you just want to remove the voice meter completely, in this quick tutorial I will show you exactly how you can uninstall voice meter driver from your PC. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to click on the taskbar here and you need to simply right click, then click on the taskbar settings. You can also click on the start menu and then you can come in the settings of your device. Now once you are in your settings, you just have to simply click on the option of apps. In your apps you will see the installed apps option, so click on installed apps here. In the search bar you need to simply search for Voicemeeter or Voicemeeter Banana. Once you are able to find the application, you need to simply click on the three dots right next to it and click on the uninstall option. So this way you will be able to uninstall it. So if that method doesn't work, you can also try the second one, in which you will have to click on the start menu again, and here you need to select the option of device manager. So once you are in your device manager, you will see the sounds option here. So in the sound video game controllers, you will have to simply right click on Voicemeeter input and output, and from here you need to click on the option of uninstall device. So this way you will be able to basically uninstall Voicemeeter driver. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.